Hey, it's Teresa, and today I'm going to be making peanut butter cookies. For this super simple peanut butter recipe, all you will need is 1 egg, a half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of flour, so make sure you measure this out 3 times, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you have Reese's Pieces or chocolate chips, optional if you want to add a little extra something. Okay, cool. So now in this giant mixer behind me, we're going to combine all our ingredients. And your egg. Make sure you crack your egg on the side so no shell goes into the good stuff. Now for the fun part, mixing. So now that we're all done mixing, you can add your additional goodies if you want. But make sure to coat with a little bit of flour, that way it doesn't sink to the bottom. Now we have our cookies all ready to go, but before we go, we're gonna just put a little bit of pattern on them, and I'm gonna show you how. So you take a fork, you press it down lightly, and then across. And that's it. And we're gonna do it for all of them. And here's the finished product. Enjoy.